Do you like money? Of course you do. Get the most out of your home sale with my system, the YASS system. 98% of buyers are looking online to find their home. Photos sell homes. Fugly does not. And that's why you need the YASS system. Yard, AC, smell, staging. Copyrighted. You want to start with curb appeal. MLS requires the first photo to be an exterior shot of your home. Have a landscaping company revitalize your yard by replacing any dead plants and then trimming all the shrubs. And you can zhuzh up your front door by maybe putting a seasonal wreath, framing with some plants, and then giving a fresh coat of paint. Once you've made it through the front door, you want to climatize your house.
Climatize is a real word.
You should put that. You want the temperature to match the season. So if it's freezing, heat it up. If it's sweltering, everyone knows the two most important letters in DC are AC. So you want to show everyone that your HVAC is working and it's working well. Possibly the most important thing is smell. Buyers want to know, is there cat pee? Is there mildew? Were they a smoker? Is there currently a meth lab? You want your house to smell divine. Don't rely on plugins because they always smell like they're kind of masking something. You want to go with an earthy candle like rosemary or pine or birthday cake. And this brings me to my most passionate point, which is staging. A lot of people think staging is a waste of time and that it's extra. However, if you weren't willing to waste your time on something extra, you wouldn't watch this show. If you're thinking about staging your own home, don't. Pay a professional to bring in furniture that is neutral, functional, and optimizes the space well. This allows the maximum amount of buyers to visualize themselves living there. And that's the YASS system, which gets you the max amount of buyers for multiple offers. Happy Pride, y'all. This is Beginning House with Paul. Cheers.
Chug, chug, chug it. Chug it. It's pride. It's for pride. Do it because you're gay.